Okay, so this is part of the installation, and in this step, we are going to add a domain name in our Apache configuration file. So the first thing we'll do is go to this directory, Apache 2 sites available, and okay, all right. Uh, uh, Let me check what files are in. Okay, now that we have a default configuration file here, uh, actually it's a default site. So uh, we need to create a new one for our website by using a sample configuration. Let us check. Let me check something here. Yep. See, this our site is up. All right. It's working basically. All right. So uh, we need to create a new configuration file, one for our website by using this sample configuration file. So let me do this. All right. So basically, this is gonna make a copy from the default configuration file, and then it's gonna create a new configuration file for our website. You can name whatever name you want, but if you're going to host like it's a good practice to have a configuration file the exact same name, in case when you have multiple websites hosted on one server. You can also edit default config file if you want to, and it will work too. It's totally up to you. This is my way. Maybe some people don't like it. Uh, they just want to edit the config file, default config file. Remember that if you're only hosting a single website on your server, you can leave it as a default var www directory. However, if you're hosting multiple sites, you will need to change each website to its own directory, as I'm about to show you. All right, so let's now edit this config file, which we have just created. Okay, so this is the setting for it. So what we need here is we need to do the following changes. So server name will come active. So server name will be Google Cloud Platform.online. So this is going to be our website. And now server alias, make sure there is no gap in server alias. And then we are going to add www.googlecloudplatform.online. And server admin, we can keep it as it is. And this one we're gonna change to Google Cloud Platform.online. Yeah, so Google Cloud Platform.online, Google Cloud Platform.online, Google. Yeah, so this seems about right, and we'll just edit something over the top. Mm, just make the following changes to grant all required permissions, and that's about it. directory require all granted. Yeah. So this is how your site's configuration file should look like. You can edit it however way you want to. And let's close it, save it, and now we have to create a directory. So okay, see all that clear. So we'll make a directory. Okay. Okay, so now we'll just create a directory in okay, this one is basically Google Cloud Platform dot online, and there you go. So let me check the files here. Yeah, so see, we have a directory now, and in this directory we don't have any files at the moment. So what we have to do is we just have to copy the index file from the root www directory to this newly created folder. Yeah, so index file is over here. So what we have to do is we just have to make a bit of a change here. HTML. Yeah, that's it. There you go. So now the Google Cloud Platform will have its own HTML file. Now it's time to disable the default site. So we'll send a command. You can do it from the main directory as well. Now okay, so sudo a to this site, or maybe yeah, sudo a to disi. Okay, so default configuration file name is default.conf. Okay, so the default site is disabled. Now we have to enable this our site. So we'll do a to n site Google Cloud Platform .online.conf. Okay, so this is also activated. So as it's saying, we need to reload Apache 2. Systemctl reload Apache 2. That's it for setting up the Apache server. Now we'll open the website and okay, this is for the one, and now Google Cloud Platform .online. There you go. So site is working. It's up and running. And let's move on to the next step.